Alright guys, we are in the Saguaro West Visitor Center here, the Red Hills. Unfortunately, they are closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays due to short staff, so, but, oh well. Oh my god guys, I just saw like one of the most beautiful sunset here in this pretty background of the Sonoran Desert. So if you're crunched for time, it's always just do the loop trail around the park. You can see pretty much the different cactuses everywhere. Alright guys, so this nature trail is paved, so it's also ADA accessible, so that's good to know. But it's so gorgeous, damn. Sun's down now, we're just walking back to the car.